Guys, do you want to know how to set up VS Code for creating and running Java programs? So this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run Java program in VS Code. VS Code is one of the most popular IDE. I will be showing you how to download, how to use it, everything I'm going to show you. So watch my video till end. So guys, let's begin. So for running Java program, you require JDK as well as you require VS Code ID. So first of all, I will be showing you how to download VS Code. So now guys, for that, what I'm doing, I'm just starting my command prompt and I'm showing you that I'm not having any Java install on my PC. So you can see I have just typed Java --version and it is showing me Java is not recognized. So guys, I don't have Java install on my PC. Now let me go to browser and let me show you how to install Java. So you can open any of your favorite browser and just type JDK download, and guys, here you can see the official website oracle.com. You have to click on Java download link, and guys, now here different operating system it is showing, so you have to click on Windows because I'm using Windows. So if you have any other operating system, you can just change that. So just select this Windows tab and just scroll down, and here we have different products available. I'm going to take x64 MSI installer and will click on this link. So guys, you can see my download has been started. It will not take time. You can see it's done. So now to start setup, I need to click on this MSI, and here I'm going to click on next button. Guys, this is the installation location for Java. Just click on next button. So Java is successfully installed. Done guys, click on this close button. So we have one prerequisite Java. Now we will be installing VS Code. Okay, so we have to set the path also. Now let me show you how to add a path to environmental variable. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to copy the path of my Java JDK. So I'm going to C:, program files, here Java JDK to bin, and simply copy this path because we have to set this into environmental variable. Let me close this, and here I'm searching env, that is edit the environmental variable, and just start this. And here guys, you need to click on this environmental variable button. So guys, now here we will be creating a new variable Java _home. So for that, click on this new button and type variable name as Java _home, and here guys, paste the copied path, but you need to remove this /bin. It should be up to JDK, and click on OK. And now guys, scroll down, and here you will find one variable, path variable. Now we need to edit. So for that, click on edit button. Here click on new button, and again paste the copied path guys, and click on OK, and one more time OK. So guys, path is set. Now we will be checking whether my Java is working or not. So for that, we are just starting command prompt. So in search, type cmd, and here just type Java space --version. So boom guys, you can see I'm not getting any error. I'm getting my Java version over here. So that means your Java installation is successful. Web browser, and then type VS Code download. Here is the official website. Click on this link, and guys, here we have different operating system. Based on that, you can download. I'm just clicking on this Windows, and guys, my download has been started and it is done. It hardly takes a time. So now let's click on this exe. Here I'm going to click on I accept the agreement, and then I'm going to click on this next button. If you want to create shortcut on desktop, you can check. And the next option is that when you right click and if you want open with VS Code, you can check mark on this. So I'm doing that, and next button. And guys, here we need to click on install button. So installation will be started, and guys, here the installation has been started. We will wait. Okay guys, my installation is done. Now it's showing me this screen. So I'm just want to launch this VS Code. So I will check this and I will click on finish button. So guys, my VS Code is started, and this is a welcome screen for VS Code. And now guys, now the important step we are going to follow, that is what? Extension. So for running Java program, you required few extension. Okay, in VS Code, if you want to run anything, any program, you need to download extension. extension. So just go to this extension tab, and guys here you have to search for two extension. Okay, the first extension is Java. Just type Java, it will show you various options. Select this option, extension pack for Java. So this is going to install 6 extensions. Since it is a pack, it is going to install 6 extension. So here are the 6 extension. It will install what? Test runner, Maven, project manager, language support for Java, debugger, all the 6 packs it will install. So you can see I'm clicking on this install button and my installation has been started. It is showing me installing. Since it will install 6 packs, so it will take a while, so we will wait for it. Okay guys, so installation for Java package done. Here my Java development is ready. Now I will suggest you to install one more extension, that is Code Runner. So guys, now let me show you how to create project. So go to file menu and click on open folder over here, and you can browse your folder wherever you want to save your program. So I'm just taking my CS Corner folder and I'm just clicking on this select folder, and you can see under my Explorer it's showing me my folder CS Corner, right? So now you can create your file inside this. Just click on this new file button and give your file name, Java file name. So guys, here you need to provide a Java file name. So I'm giving Java file name as hello demo.java and hit enter guys, and you can see your Java file got created over here. Right now we will be writing code. So let's start with a class. So here I'm writing class hello demo, curly bracket is generated. Now next I will write PSVM and then select this, and you can see guys, public static void main, which is nothing but entry point for Java program, is generated. Now I want to print simple statement, so I'm typing S out, and again you can see system.out.println is generated. In this I'm just going to print a simple message. So guys, my code is done, my program is ready now. So I will run this program. So to run this program, I'm going to select run code. I'm getting my output. Okay, so this is done. I got my output. Now one more point I would like to show you, because if you are doing Java program, definitely you may require user input. So you can see the output is coming under this output tab, right? But we want output should come in a terminal tab, because for accepting user input, terminal is required. So now simply I'm just modifying my program and I'm creating one object of scanner so that I can accept input from user, and then I'm asking user that enter some value, and whatever value user is entering, I'm just storing that into a variable, and then guys I'm just trying to print that value. Okay, this is my simple Java code, and now what I'll do, I'll run this program. Okay, so if I'm running this program, you can see again the output is coming in this output tab, enter some value, but guys here I'm not able to type. Okay, I'm not able to type. So if you want to accept user input, this way will not work. So we have to just change the output should come into terminal. So we have to do some settings. So guys, you can go to this setting tab, which is given at the bottom left, or you can go to file menu and you can select preferences option and settings, and there guys you need to just search one option, run in terminal, and here guys you can see this checkbox, run in terminal, just select it. Okay, that's all guys. Now I will run my program again, and boom guys, you can see now I'm getting my output in terminal, and here it is asking me enter something, so I'm entering something over here, and then guys you can see it has accepted the input and it is printing. That means it is accepting my user input. So guys, I have shown you everything like installation to how to accept user input in Java. I hope guys by following my video you are able to successfully run your Java program in VS Code. So guys, if my video has really helped you, don't forget to click on like button, and if you have any type of query, you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, I'm sharing lots of PDF and notes freely on my Telegram channel. The link of my all social media I have given in description box. You can follow me there also. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press bell icon to receive more videos from my channel. Thank you guys for watching my video till end. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye and take care.